What's up, friends? It is Mike at Spirit of 1876, and we're talking tents. It's Tuesday. A new tent from one of our longest tenured brands, the James Baroud. In 2018, I started this business. I had two brands, James Baroud and CVT. CVT is no longer in business. James Baroud had been making tents for 20 plus years prior to me bringing them in. But this has always been the nicest tent I had seen. They're handmade in Portugal. They have the longest warranty. They have some of the most unique features that no other tent has. And come full circle here to 2026, and lo and behold, they pretty much look the same. So there's been some variations, there's been some changes. I'm here to tell you confidently that this is the nicest tent that I've seen, and the nicest tent that I've seen James Baroud produce since we started carrying them. Now, you might say it looks the same as all the other ones, and it does, but that is a good thing because their tents are sick. They literally are some of the nicest quality, the way they sleep, the features. Again, we'll get into it, but there's a reason why I like them. There's been some changes and there's been some negative things that have come out from James Baroud recently or in the last year that I'm gonna address in this video as well. So if you're new to Spirit, like I said, we've been in business since 2018. We carry all the top brands. We're not married to any of these brands, so our value is really talking about the pros and cons, and when things are good, we tell you. When they're bad, we tell you. This is the new James Baroud Pro Line. You may be familiar with their Evolution series. That's their fiberglass series, that 3 layers of fiberglass built like a boat. About a year and a half ago, they came out with a new model called the Odyssey, and it got a lot of attention and a lot of hype. I'm not sure why. I never liked it. It was squeaky. It was ABS plastic, which never really works here in Colorado. So I was negative Debbie Downer from the very beginning on it. Everything I had feared came to reality, and we had a lot of cracked tents. James Baroud has the best warranty in the industry, no questions asked. Swapped out every single one of those tents. Happy customers, happy times. Sucked for us as a dealer, but we're past it. The good news is, we're not doing ABS plastic anymore, at least here in Colorado. So this is a fiberglass tent. Essentially what they did was take their legacy model, the Evolution series, which, stick with me here, consisted of 3 models. The Discovery, which was a clamshell, the Space, which was a dual hinging clamshell. They were the first to kind of give you that clam with a little bit more space at the foot or the head of the tent. And then the Evasion, which is their full pop-up, what they're known for, 360-degree views. Then there was the Explorer, same look from the side of the Evasion, but it had a cargo deck up top. So indented hooks for you to store gear on top of the tent. Now, the reason why they came out with the Odyssey was for 2 reasons. They wanted to come up with some new sexy features that all the other tents were doing, but they wanted to really highlight 2 things. One was that they wanted to make it lighter, and they wanted to put crossbars on it. You weren't able to put crossbars on the fiberglass, so that is why they came out with the Odyssey. Like I said, wasn't necessarily a success, but we're moving past it. They made it right. ProLine, Evasion, what they did, kept the tried and true fiberglass shell, 3 layers. Now, I always say this thing sleeps more like a camper than a tent, and what I mean by that is it's stout. The fabric is stout, the construction is stout. The headliner in here is like a headliner in a luxury vehicle. It's padded, insulated, it's nice, so it's quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise, doesn't move in the wind, it handles weather very well, but also it looks really nice. Now, if you neglect these shells, which a lot of folks do, and when I say neglect, just not washing them, not taking care of them, dust will build up, the shell will start to look like shit. That's okay. It's like an old boat. Literally a little bit of elbow grease and some shoe polish, maybe not shoe polish, but you know what I mean. A fiberglass polish of some kind can really restore these things and bring them back to new. They're also bomber proof. I, back in 2018, dumped one off my 100 Series Land Cruiser because I'm an idiot. that's for another day. I'll tell you the story. But it literally fell from the top of a lifted Land Cruiser onto concrete, nose first, then the butt. There wasn't a crack on it. So fiberglass, she's tough. So I love the durability, I love the quietness and the soundness of it. I love that you can restore it and make it look shiny and clean if you neglect it. And then all the features that we love from James Baroud. So solar powered exhaust fan. People are always like, oh, that's nice for summers and whatnot. It's not necessarily that kind of fan. It's not blowing down, it's blowing up. You may have read online or heard that people will flip that fan to make it go down. It's not a powerful fan, don't recommend that. I call it a fart fan. It sucks the air out of the tent, mainly condensation to make it nice and comfortable in there. But if you got a stinky partner or a dog, it's also keeping that air fresh. A bunch of other patented features that these tents have, but what I want to specifically highlight right now is the ones that they've adopted from the Odyssey and the Magma and brought it over to the Evolution series, which again are now calling the ProLine series. So starting with the fabric, this is a 3-layer new fabric. If you remember, the Evasion and the Evolution series consisted of this aluminum embedded fabric, which was UV protected, water resistant for life, not like a sprayed polycotton or polyester. This fabric, no joke, is what you would find on a BMW convertible. It is thick, it is insulated, it is 100% waterproof, and again, it's got some texture to it, it's quiet, so when this thing's buttoned up, it's quiet. But when it's down, you've got 360-degree views. You can peel back both the front, back, and sides to have full airflow through this tent. But when closed up, you're utilizing this new fabric, which again keeps the tent cooler or warmer, depending on, it just helps maintain the temperature, and it also keeps the tent pitch black. So it is a blackout material, 3 layers. Another thing that they did was add these little wings. So this is almost like a camper, where this little wing folds up when you go to stow it down, and that makes room for the scissor arms that close the tent. Why is that good? I don't know, it just gives you a lot more space and width in there. Before there were little cutouts, which obviously impacted your sleeping range. This is a 56-inch wide tent, so much bigger than your standard clamshells, which are around 50, but the sleeping footprint's around 46. You got 56 inches from end to end here in the center, a little bit less where the wings go, or I should say where the scissor hinges go. And again, this stows like this so that you can close it. You can still put bedding and blankets in here. It's one of the nicest parts about James Baroud, the way they designed the shell. Doesn't sit super high, 13 inches at the highest point with the solar powered exhaust fan. Just over a foot when closed. However, again, you can store the ladder, you can store bedding, and then now with this, you've got another little pocket here of bigger, beefier things. So think pillows, shoes, whatever. This gives you a lot of space. The other thing they included now is a condensation mat. So this was a product that they sold separately as an added-on accessory. It wasn't cheap, it was about 500 bucks. It's now included in the tent. They also adopted the 360-degree lighting in there, which is sick. But overall, really just took everything that people liked about the Odyssey and put it into the fiberglass tent. Foundation for crossbars, so you can add crossbars to this tent. This is for their tunnel. So if you go with their awning, you can easily slide in the tunnel accessory now. The tunnel just makes it fully enclosed area for you to transfer from down to up. So a unique product from James Baroud, but before you had to add an accessory to the tent to then slide in that, it's ready to load for that. And honestly, like I said, I've always loved the Evasion. Even when the Odyssey was out, I tried to direct people toward this tent because the weight difference isn't that big. 135 pounds versus 120. You know, there's just not enough to essentially justify the ABS tent. It was sleek, it was sexy looking, but so is this. And I like fiberglass for all the reasons I just stated. Can't say enough good things about James Baroud as a company. These things are handmade in Porto, Portugal. They come with a 5-year industry-leading warranty, and if anything goes wrong, these guys stand behind their products. They're passionate about these things, and I think that's why I like them so much, just because, again, in the world that we live in today with a lot of replica white label tents, these guys have designed and built their tents for the last 30 years. And this design literally hasn't changed since I made the first video in 2018, or really like for the last 15 years. This actual style and mold, aerodynamic but light, has been in place. Because again, 3 layers of fiberglass, people think it's heavy. It's not. The medium is 145 pounds, the small is 135 pounds, the large is I think 165 pounds. Check my facts on those, but the point is, super nice tent, light, under 5K, literally has all the best features, both from the Odyssey and the Evolution series, and we're super pumped to have it here. This is the first one here in the States. The container lands in May. I think we're gonna open up some pre-orders just to get an idea of sizes and colors that people want. The last thing, the ABS plastic came in white, graphite, or black. Back to fiberglass means that you can pick any color in the rail rainbow. So 200 plus colors, you can match it to your rig if you'd like. Otherwise, super nice gel coated fiberglass finish. James Baroud Evasion Pro Series, love it. All right, just to wrap things up, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm Mike from Spirit. This is the ProLine from James Baroud. Come down to our store in Castle Rock, Colorado if you want to see these things. If you're not here in Colorado, give us a call, shoot us a text. We do virtual tours, consultations all the time. We'll get you taken care of. We've been a proud James Baroud dealer since 2018, and we're super pumped about this new tent. So come down and see it, like, follow, ask any questions you want. See you next time.